Welcome to my Python learning channel. If you've ever wanted to learn programming from scratch, you're in the right place. Python is one of the easiest and most powerful programming languages, and today, we're going to write our very first Python program. Let's go. Step 1. Open your browser and go to this website, www.anaconda.com. Now click on the green button that says Download. Step 2. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. Click Next to start the setup, agree to the license, and install it for just me. Now choose the destination folder and click Next. Keep the default settings, especially add Anaconda to my path environment variable. It's recommended not to check this. Just click Install. This will take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Next, and then Finish. Step 3. Now go to the Start menu and open Anaconda Navigator. Once it loads, you'll see different tools. Click on Launch under Jupyter Notebook. This will open your default browser with Jupyter Notebook running. Don't worry, it works offline too. Click on New Python 3 feet to open a new notebook. Now in the first cell, type. The page you're seeing now is called a notebook. It's made up of cells. A cell is like a block where you can write and run Python code. You can click inside the cell and type your code. In the first cell, type this line exactly as I show you. Print hello world. What this code does is very simple. Print is a function that tells Python to display something on the screen. Whatever text you write inside the quotation marks, like hello world, will be shown as output. Now, to run the code, press the keys Shift plus Enter on your keyboard. When you do this, Python will execute the code inside the cell. Right below the cell, you'll see the output appear like this. Congratulations! You just wrote and ran your first Python program using Jupyter Notebook. And you're all set. You now have Python, Anaconda, and Jupyter Notebook installed. In the next video, we'll learn how to use variables and data types in Python. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.